Good morning. Good morning to
Morning, ma'am.
everyone. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let's wait for everyone to join. Okay, children, I shared the essay yesterday in D group. How many of you read it?
Ma'am, I have written.
You read it there?
Ma'am, it's also. Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, this is my new phone, so I'm not having fourth CD group.
Oh, you're not having. So where did you get this link from? The class link?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, he didn't have 4C D group where work is sent.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, this is my new phone.
Okay, Kanav, then tell your teacher to add you in the group, beta. You
Okay,
told your
ma'am.
teacher to add you in this group, 4th C group.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why didn't you tell it for the D group?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Okay, you forgot. Now what I'll do is I'll share screen with all of you. Okay? Let's just read out the essay. What was it? My summer vacation.
English creative writing class.
No, this is not our English creative writing, but let's continue that work. No? Let's bring it to an end. We have 2 classes today.
So, ma'am, we will not do, ma'am, SST.
We will do SST. Don't worry. You want to do SST?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you want to do SST, beta?
Ma'am, I want to do English creative. Ma'am, I want to do English creative.
Okay, but now I'm doing English creative only, so don't worry. Don't worry. Why is this screen share not happening? Sometimes something goes wrong.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Okay, wait, children. Just give me 1 minute. Let me open it. It was in 4th CD group. 4th CD group and
Ma'am, we will do essay writing.
we are doing, yes, we will just do essay reading, not writing. We are just doing reading right now, beta. Clear? Okay, now here you have the screen. Share screen. And where is this essay? It's here. Okay, can you see? How many of you can
No,
see
ma'am.
this essay? No?
Ma'am, it's loading.
Loading.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is loading.
Yeah, Pahwa has started screen sharing.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
now I can see.
Ma'am, now I can see.
Can see also.
Ma'am, now
Okay,
we
you
can
want, tell me, you want me to read this essay or you will read it yourself?
Ma'am, please read.
see. No, ma'am, we will read.
You want to read one by one?
Yes, ma'am.
But you are so many students. How do we go about it? I can't make all of you read it. Then
Ma'am, you read it.
all right. Now see, summer vacation begins from the time when the last bell rings for the school to get over, isn't it? We feel excited from that moment only. When the last period gets over and we think, yes, our summer break has started.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, in this period, only do creative writing.
Beta, let's first finish this off, then we'll decide what is to be done. Okay? Because you people talk also, no, in between. So I think the period will get over in this only. You have so much to share, all of you, right? Okay. Then this time is the most awaited time of the year, as we know that we get a little break and relaxation from our studies and normal routine life. In summer vacations, we learn new activities and explore new things. The summer break starts from mid-May and lasts till the end of June. It is a 45 days break. During my summer break, I went for a vacation to a hill station. It was a 7-day long trip. Children, please make this I capital. Okay, by mistake, it is written in small only. It was a 7-day long trip. This family trip included my cousins, my parents, my relatives, and my grandparents. It was like a family reunion for all of us as we were meeting after one full year. My cousins were as excited as I was because it was their free time as well. This holiday was meant for all of us to relax, to have fun, to explore new things, and spend good time together. We all ate good food, drank nice beverages, did activities like swimming, playing table tennis, cricket, playing chess, and carol. Not to be missed, we enjoyed late nights by playing dumb charades. Not even a single minute was wasted uselessly. But like how it is said, all good things come to an end. This trip also ended, and we all returned home safely to our respective homes. Children, please cut that home. We all returned home. Okay. I think it has been written twice. Then, after being rejuvenated from this trip, what do you mean by rejuvenated? Anybody knows the meaning of rejuvenated? Okay, after being thrilled or after being full of energy, rejuvenated is getting back your energies. So after being rejuvenated from this trip, I utilized my time in some sports activities like table tennis in the morning and badminton in the evening. I also used to go for cycling, and all these activities kept me fit and healthy during my holidays. The last week of the vacation was spent doing my holiday homework and pending work. The excitement for sure came to an end as the summer break was about to get over. But still, I was happy and content with how I spent my holidays. Now it was time to go back to school again and get into the normal routine life with a fresh mind. So that's all. Now did you see how the tenses were used?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
When I spoke about past tense, when I spoke about present tense, all these things matter, beta. Okay, you can just take idea from this. I'm not saying you to write it as it is. Just a few lines if you want, few changes if you want, you can make by reading this, by referring to this, I mean.
Ma'am, please say again what are you saying?
I'm saying that this is just shared with you for an idea how this essay is to be written. Okay? You don't need to copy it. You don't need to write as it is. You can write what you have written, but just take a little idea if you want. from this essay, this sample essay. Is that clear?
Ma'am, so mistakes we have done in the essay. So can we write correctly?
Yes, you can make little changes if you want, beta. Okay, now, where's my phone? This is supposed to be our, which class? This is supposed to be
Ma'am, our
SST class. This is supposed to be our SST class. But then we have our 5th period as creative writing period. Right? We have creative writing again. So now when we have started doing creative writing, let's just continue this only. Okay, I'll give you one more topic on which you have to write. And what you will write, you don't have to write complete essay. What you will do is you will just write a short paragraph. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
your topic is something very interesting. Now what you can write on it, see. First of all, the topic is milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Yes.
Ma'am, do we have to
Yes. Now you have to write a small paragraph on milk. Where do you all drink milk daily, right?
Ma'am, this is essay writing.
No, this is a paragraph writing. You can't write a big thing on a very long elaborated thing on milk. Okay, you can just write a small paragraph. Now what all will you write? Don't start writing anybody. Let's first discuss what all can be written. Now what is milk?
Ma'am, milk that
It is a dairy product.
Ma'am, it is a daily product and the white liquid.
Yes, very good. It is a dairy product and we get milk from how many different animals?
Cow,
buffalo, goat, yak. Ma'am, cow, buffalo, goat, yak.
buffalo, goat, dog.
Very good. And what is milk rich in?
Ma'am,
Calcium. It gives us
Calcium.
very nice.
And
Very
it is
nice.
rich in calcium.
What all things
Ma'am?
can be made from milk?
Ma'am,
Strawberry. Ma'am, cake. Ma'am,
Very good.
cake, strawberry cake.
cheese,
Sweets.
and cheese, curd, etc.
Paneer.
So we have different things. We can also make sweets from it.
And rasmalai.
We can, yes, different kind of sweets can be made. We make curd out of it. We make so many different things out of it. Paneer and all. Cheese, like you said. Okay. Then, in what all forms milk is available? It is available in liquid form also, and it also comes in powder form. Isn't it? It comes in powder.
Already know liquid form, but I have in powder form.
Powder form. Now, beta, see, milk also comes freshly from animals, and it is also available in markets in packets. Like we have Tetra packs of milk. We have packets, the polythene of Mother Dairy, of Amul, isn't it? We get it freshly from dairy also, and we get packed milk also. We get powder milk also. So these are various forms of milk that we get. Then what else can we include in that? Any idea? Okay. How much do we depend on milk? Children of your age, how much do they depend on milk? How many times do you drink milk in a day?
Two times.
Two times. Now, when you grow big, let's talk about your parents. How many times do they drink milk?
0 times.
Yes?
Ma'am, one time.
0 times.
One time.
Just once. Just once. Okay. What about little babies? What about newborn babies? How much do they drink milk? How many times a day?
Ma'am, many times.
Yes, they live on milk only because they don't take any other thing. They completely live on milk. because they cannot eat.
Ma'am, but my sister takes another thing.
Yes. Now little babies, they can't drink buffalo milk. What do they drink? Either they drink cow milk or they drink powder milk. That comes in, yes, that is available in the market. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I was saying that our parents drink coffee and all that's also made of milk.
Yes, that is made of milk. But beta, you directly drink milk by adding some chocolate powder or something to it. But your parents, how the quantity, the consumption reduces. When you grow up, people don't really depend on milk. They start taking it in coffee or in tea in a very little quantity, not much. Then anything else that you can include in that?
Ma'am, milk is good for our bones.
Ma'am, the protein and vitamin. For our teaspoons, it is very healthy. And
Milk is
ma'am,
good
drinking
for our
milk,
bones.
our bones get strong.
Yes, and bodybuilders consume it a lot because they have to do muscle building and all, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. We can drink the milkshake also. Sorry, ma'am. Mango shake also, ma'am.
Yes, now
Because
you
it
can
is
make,
also made of
very
milk.
nice, very nice, Athar. You can make different varieties of milk in summer. What? You can make cold coffee, you can make strawberry shakes, mango shakes, chocolate
And ma'am,
shakes.
also we can eat a curd.
Yes, we also make curd. Then out of that curd, we make lassi, we make chaach. So many different things in summers we get to drink made of milk. Now, will you be able to write a good paragraph on milk?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, your time starts now.
The heading will be paragraph writing.
No, beta, the heading will be milk only. Okay, I am writing points in the chat box on which you are supposed to write on milk. Okay, just the helping points, some hints in the chat box. Summer is saying, ma'am, milk is best. Very good, Summer. That means milk is your favorite drink.
And ma'am, we can mix, ma'am, varieties of the, ma'am, like ma'am, vegan milk, ma'am, we can put ma'am powder also.
What also?
Ma'am, like Horlicks, ma'am, like Horlicks and ma'am
Yes, different varieties, no, that I spoke.
varieties, which can change the milk flavor.
Yes,
Ma'am,
change the flavor.
ma'am, do
Very
we
nice.
have to write about ma'am, in essay writing there is so many mistakes like we don't have we have not written
How many words?
Beta, wait. Now Jaskaran is speaking something. Let him finish.
ma'am, we have not written about past tense. So, ma'am, in this paragraph writing, we have to write about past
And the
tense
milk
only.
is
Now, now time.
Beta, you can do it later. Now see, when you write it in your exams, just practice it sometime in the evening. That how you can write it in a better way. What you have written is fine. You have used your own thinking, your creativity, your imagination. But before your exams, just practice it on your own. Okay, Shaurit Tyagi, in how many words? Let's say about 80 to 100 words. As much as you can write, okay? Because what all points we have discussed, you can't write more than those points. So let's not count the words. Yes?
Ma'am, are you saying 120 or 82?
80 से लेके 100 तक. 80 to 100. Fine?
Ma'am, in which flavor milk we get? When we have to write any flavor?
Yes. In which all flavors it can be made, in which all forms it is available.
Ma'am, I have done my summer vacation essay in 82 words.
Okay, beta, very less. At least 150 words should be there in an essay. In which all forms it is available? What
Ma'am?
all? Yes.
Ma'am, you have written it in which all flavors it is available. So, ma'am.
Yes, in market also, beta, it is available. Have you seen? Some
Yes, ma'am.
tetra packs of cold coffee, some badam milk, some strawberry milk. It is available in that also.
And ma'am, the Amul milk also.
Yes, Amul milk, so many different things. Yes.
Ma'am, mostly shakes are also made of milk.
Yeah, mostly nahi, 100%. Shakes are made of milk only.
also? Ma'am,
What
can
beta?
we write cheese?
Can
Ma'am,
we
can
write?
we write cheese?
Key means?
Ma'am, cheese. Ma'am,
Yes.
like yellow color.
Yes,
Cheese.
beta, of course you can write. You can write cheese, paneer, kheer, whatever comes to your mind. We have different sweets made of, burfis made of milk. So many things.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when I give introduction, so ma'am, can I write this? Today I am going to read about milk.
Yes. No, today I'm going, no, don't write this, beta. Milk is this. You can simply start by writing. Milk is found or milk is rich in what nutrient it is rich in.
Sir, milk is a white color liquid.
Yes. What color it comes in, what nutrients are found in milk.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying we have to write an essay on milk.
Beta, the whole thing gets over and then you ask these kind of questions. You have to write a paragraph. Okay? Just a paragraph.
Ma'am, first you have in first point you have said that where we get milk from. Now you are saying milk giving animals. Ma'am, it is
Where
same.
we get milk from. Okay, you can also write, beta, milk is available in dairies, milk is available in departmental stores, it is
ma'am,
available in chemist shop,
ma'am,
powder milk. Isn't it
Ma'am?
available? Yes.
ma'am, usually we get milk if we want it easily, so we can get it from markets, from dairy, from Amul market. Anywhere
Yes.
you can get milk in
Yes.
Tetra Pak,
Yes.
free
Very good.
in Thailis. But
Yes.
ma'am, actual milk come from cows, buffaloes.
Yes. Very nice. Very good point, beta. Fresh milk comes from animals and then later it is processed or it is pasteurized and it is given different forms. Very good point, Anika.
In the news, there is also that some people are mixing milk with the water and chemicals.
Then beta, in the end, you can also talk about the benefits of milk.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we also have a stray cat. We would used to give her the milk. We would mix the milk in water and then we would microwave it and give to her.
Very
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, animals also need milk. I'm like
What,
cats,
Varshita? Animals
Ma'am,
also
need milk. Like
need.
cats.
Yes, definitely. Very nice point. Very nice.
We can also write about that now milk is not coming pure.
Milk is not coming.
Some people.
Yes,
Some
very nice. Very nice. They mix water. Very good point, beta.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, there is a short story on YouTube about milk. Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, he sells the milk mixing the water.
All right. Good.
Ma'am,
You can also write that it is important in bodybuilding. Okay, don't miss this point. Milk is very important in bodybuilding. Bodybuilders depend a lot on milk. Yes, ma'am. Yes, beta, yes.
ma'am, we can also mix some dry fruits like badam,
Yes.
and
We
we
can
can
make,
also add powders in that,
yes,
like haldi powder.
yes, very nice. Now in this COVID times, it was said that daily you should drink milk with turmeric powder in it to
Yes, ma'am.
The turmeric
to
powder milk.
improve your immunity. So it was good for our
Yes.
immunity also.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Can we
beta.
start, ma'am? Ma'am, can we start like that? Milk, tasty. Can we write this starting?
Can we start how?
Can we start like milk, tasty milk? Can we write this?
Okay, beta, right.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
ma'am, can I start like this? We need milk a lot.
Start like what?
We need milk a lot because it is very healthy. Can I start like this?
Beta, see, first you have to tell what milk is. Milk is what? A nutrient rich liquid. Okay, it is a rich liquid with a lot of nutrition in it.
Okay, ma'am.
meaning of benefits of milk and in what quantity milk is consumed by different age groups.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this? The
Benefits
seventh and
means,
next one.
beta, benefits means fayde. Okay. What are the benefits of drinking milk? What do you think? It gives you complete nutrition.
Yes,
The deficiency of calcium can be met by drinking milk. Milk is also rich in other nutrients. Now we have to find out in which all nutrients it is rich. It is
ma'am,
rich in magnesium also.
and what is the meaning of 8 point?
8 point in what
Ma'am, what
quantity
is the
milk?
meaning of magnesium?
Wait. Let me speak about the 8 point first. In what quantity milk is consumed by different age groups? Like I said, beta, children of your age drink milk twice a day, 2 glasses per day. Little children, they live on milk only, the newborns, isn't it? And the grown-ups, the adults, they reduce their quantity to 1 glass. Mostly they drink 1 glass, and some adults do not drink milk only, they just drink it in tea and coffee. So this is different quantities consumed by different age groups, and bodybuilders consume it a lot. Yes, Arav Gupta, now ask.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of that, ma'am, vitamin that you have tell us?
Vitamin, I said that it is rich in calcium. It also provides us magnesium. This is what I said.
Yes, ma'am, what is the spelling of magnesium?
Magnesium is MAG. I will write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, can you write the para? It is rich in calcium and also magnesium. Can you write this sentence in the chat box, please?
Why, beta? Why?
I'm writing that paragraph.
Ma'am, ma'am, you have it. Second point, you have written for all the flavors. So, ma'am, there are different type of flavors.
Beta, can it not be made in different flavors? You add roux afza, you add chocolate powder, you add mangoes to it. So it comes, the flavor can be changed.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please tell the format.
Format, beta, it is no format. Now in a paragraph, you can include all these points and just write one paragraph. There is no particular format to write one paragraph.
Ma'am, what is the word limit?
Ma'am, there is only
80 to
8
100 words. Yes.
Ma'am, there is only 8 points.
Yes, beta. Now these 8 points, you can just write on these 8 points, and if anything else comes to your mind, you can write on that also. What I had in my mind, what can be written about milk, is on these 8 points. If you have any additional thing in your mind, you can include, you can write more.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I scope?
No, not now, beta, not now.
Ma'am, what?
Let everybody write.
Ma'am, what we say khatta in English?
What we say?
Ma'am, khatta.
Khatta is sour.
Ma'am, I have written
S-O-U-R.
of 132 words.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, ma'am, ice cream is also made by milk.
Very nice. Yes, ice cream is also made. Cakes are also made with milk. We have milk cakes now available in market.
Ma'am, I have written of 132 words. Moksha.
Very good. Now on summer vacation, you people wrote only 80 to 100 words, huh? That was supposed to be written in at least 150 to 200 words.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, in summer vacation also I have write 121 words.
ma'am,
Very
all paragraphs are
Ma'am, in
coming.
summer vacation, I have written 150 words. Ma'am, I have written, I have written small, but ma'am, I am adding some more. So, ma'am, what is the spelling of calcium?
CALCIUM.
Ma'am, apart from chocolate shake and mango shake, in which form the milk can be
Beta, it can be made badam milk, it can be made rose or roux afza or strawberry shakes, vanilla shakes, pineapples. No, pineapple shake is not there. Then we have smoothies. Oh my god, we missed smoothies. We have smoothies that are made of milk.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
we have ice creams.
Ma'am, kheer is also made of
Yes,
milk
very nice, very nice.
and then paneer.
Ma'am, we write that this we get milk from dairies.
Yes, of course you can write, beta.
Ma'am, at the ending of this paragraph, can we write a slogan on milk?
Yes, you can write. You can write it in the beginning also and in the end also. Good. How many of you like milk?
Ma'am, I like milk.
Like
All
milk.
right.
Like most of the milk.
And how many of you don't like milk?
Ma'am, I like.
Who doesn't like milk in the class?
Ma'am,
Summer?
I drink.
But Summer, what you wrote in the
I
chat
want to
box?
read.
Milk is
I want to read my topic.
great, beta. Now next class we will use in reading only. Don't worry. Written, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am doing.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have
right,
written,
beta, right.
ma'am, I have
Ma'am, I am
written
reading.
5 words now. I am writing 80 words.
Ma'am, I know only curd and butter.
Ma'am, can we
You
write?
know only curd and butter. What does that mean?
Ma'am, can we write more than? Ma'am, can we write 80 words?
Ma'am, I know only curd and butter which can be made from milk.
No, there are a lot other things. Curd, butter. Then we have cheese, cottage cheese. Then we have what all can be made?
Ma'am,
Rasgul, ghee. Yes, very good. Ghee. And what else?
Then we can make cake, papers, fruit cream, mango shake, and kheer paneer.
Oh my God, Shaurya Tyagi has the whole list. Very nice, beta.
Ma'am, curd, paneer. Ma'am, I have done one page and I am sending on group.
Ma'am, milk also have fat.
Don't send it on group, beta. We will read.
Ma'am, milk also have fat.
Milk also has fat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Milk has fat. Yes.
Ma'am, the fat when the has fat when the sugar is poured in it. So, but there is no fat when the sugar is not poured. I drink.
No, beta. Milk in itself also has fat. It is rich in fats.